Mangodi ki sabji. Hello friends, today we are preparing Mangodi sabji that is very simple yet really delicious and very soothing recipe like a soup. This is protein rich and you can add it into your supper or weight loss journey. I like to eat it as it is and without any other carb, but you can eat it with roti or chapati. Try it once and you will come to know how comforting food it is. It only takes 10 to 12 minutes to prepare, good for busy moms or bachelors. Mangodi is basically Moong Dal Vadi that is prepared by soaking dal in water for few hours, followed by grinding it into paste and add hing or other masala as per your taste. Then make it into small round shapes and dry it in the sun for a couple of days. However, you can get these dried vadi easily from the market too. So without any further delay, let's prepare this. These are the ingredients that you can take note of. Firstly, take mangodi and crush it into small pieces. I have done it using balan. Secondly, heat cooker and put ghee inside this. Once hot, add hing followed by mangodi. Roast vadis for a few minutes on low flame until it turns into little brown color. Now add all masalas, salt, red chilli powder, turmeric, coriander powder and mix well. Finally, add water into this. You can adjust water according to your taste, as much gravy you want. Pressure cook for 1 whistle and then keep 5 minutes on low flame. Allow the steam to escape before opening the lid. It's ready to serve now. Enjoy! Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.